Hello guys, today I'm here with a new tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show how to install Windows 11 on legacy computers. So before starting, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, then please subscribe to the channel, and stay connected for latest updates. So guys, let's start. For this purpose, you'll require Rufus for creating bootable USB, Windows 11 ISO. To download Windows 11 ISO, follow the guide from my button, bypass registry, to bypass Windows 11 requirements, and any USB with minimum 8 GB. Now, plug the USB and open Rufus. USB will be automatically selected. If not, select it, and select Windows 11 ISO, or just drag to Rufus window. Set the partition scheme to MBR, and click on Show Advanced Properties. Here, make sure to check second and third option. And now, click on Start, and confirm all the prompts. Windows 11 USB for legacy computers is being prepared. USB has been created successfully. Click on Close and copy bypass registry to the USB. Now, plug bootable USB to target computer, and boot to boot menu. Here select your USB. It may or may not appear with a name, so select USB option, and press enter to boot. Continue with the installation. Here it says, this PC can't run Windows 11. To fix it, press Shift plus F10. Type Notepad and press Enter key. Now, click on File, and then click on Open. Click on this PC, and then open Windows 11 USB drive. Select all files, from Files of Type drop-down menu. Right-click on Bypass TPM and Secure Boot Registry, and click on Merge. Confirm all the prompts, and then close all the windows. In Windows Setup, click on Back button, and then continue with the setup. Continue with the setup. Windows 11 has been installed successfully. Let me show you the build version. It's the latest version as of now. And now, let me assure you, that Windows 11 is working on legacy computer. And here you can see, the BIOS mode is legacy. So, that was it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any question, just comment down below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, for more update. Stay connected and have a great day.